Hi, we are here at SLE Equipment in Antioch, Tennessee, just right outside of Nashville. Our number is 615-641-7720. Today we're going to be looking at a 7x18 gooseneck equipment trailer. This trailer does come with a gooseneck hitch, as well as your safety chains and breakaway cable at the front of the trailer. There are two 12,000-pound jacks, as well as our chain box at the front. Along the sides of this equipment trailer, there are stake pockets and tie-down points. This trailer does come with pressure-treated wood flooring. There are two 7K Dexter axles on 16-inch wheels and rims. This equipment trailer is a dovetail and comes with King Kong mini ramps. There is LED brake lights on this trailer, as well as diamond plate fenders. This trailer does come with an I-beam frame. Once again, this is a 7x18 gooseneck equipment trailer. If you are interested in this trailer or any other trailer we have online, please give us a call at 615-641-7720. Thank you.